Korean Bibimbap? Yung ating bibimbap. Alright, today, as all the fathers are celebrating around the world, happy Father's Day. I'm featuring Korean kimchi soup, and also I'm featuring my Korean bibimbap. Yan. Your Kuya and welcome to my channel. And today, as all the fathers are celebrating around the world, happy Father's Day. I'm featuring Korean kimchi soup, and also I'm featuring my Korean bibimbap. Yeah, it is famous in Korea, and I guess this is the famous Korean rice all over the world. Even me, I am hooked with this bibimbap. Yeah. So yeah. Come and follow me as I guide you through on how I did this Korean bibimbap. Come! Ayan, we're going to do it live cooking. Ayan, I'll show you how. Alright, come! Alright, okay, ito na ang mga sangkap na aking gagamitin para sa aking bibimbap. Of course, yung ating rice ay niluto ko na sa ating rice cooker. Okay, pagkita ko lang sa inyo, ito po yung aking mga sliced vegetables, carrots, sitaw, meron din akong Baguio beans, tapos cucumber, tapos yung Napa cabbage. Ayan, and I also have bean sprout or yung ating Toge. And then meron din akong spinach. Ayan, and then I also have the Shiitake na mushrooms. And then para sa ating meat, I have minced chicken. And then dadagdagan ko na lang siya ng sliced marinated chicken. Ayan, okay? Yan ang aking gagamitin para sa aking bibimbap. And of course, yung ating egg. Ayan, okay? Alright, so I'll see you later para sa actual procedure ng aking Korean bibimbap. Okay. Sa ating kumukulong water, ay ilalagay ko lang yung ating spinach. Yan, ating boiling water. Right, and then I just leave it there for a few seconds. Yan ko na siyang maluto. Right, and then nagpapainit na rin po ako ng ating pan para sa paggawa ng ating stir fry para sa ating bibimbap. Okay. Yan, para po sa boiling water. Yan, susunod ko yung ating cabbage. Alright. See that, guys? Yeah. As easy as that. And then as fast as it is. And then, huwag nyo nang itapon yung inyong pinag-blanch ng yung boiling water. Kasi pwede na rin yan yung gamitin nating stock. Paggawa na ating sabaw para sa ating Korean kimchi soup or kimchi stew. Okay? And then, isunod ko po sa paglagay ang ating itong ating cabbage. Alright. Yan, yung dahon ng cabbage ang ilalagay ko. Kasi yung kanyang stem ay i-ano ko siya, stir fry. Yan, yung dahon ay okay. I hope you guys will follow. Yeah. Barely few seconds only. Yeah. Pwede ko na siyang tanggalin. Alright. Okay, Right? I just put on an oil. Okay. Just a bit of an oil. And then, unahin ko sa lagay yung aking carrots. Yeah, and then just a pinch of salt. And then I put on black pepper. Yeah, like that. Yeah, and we're done. We just put it back sa ating lagayan. Okay. And then I just add on again oil. Okay. And then next na ilagay ko sa ating stir fry yung ating Baguio beans. Ayan. Baguio beans ang tawag nito sa amin. Itong beans na to. Ayan. And then again, you just put on a little bit of salt, and then pepper. Yeah, and then just mix it. Haluin nyo lang ganyan. You could use any gulay you want. Ayan. Ganun ang bibimbap. And then ang meat, you could choose, actually ang ginagamit nila normally sa meat ay beef. Since hindi kami masyadong kumakain ng beef, so I decided to have the chicken. Yan. Alright. Okay. And then, yeah. Luto na kagad. Oil. Then I put on the sitaw. Yan, yung sitaw. And then just a pinch of salt. Pepper. It's the same procedure. Okay. Oil. Yeah. And then yung gulay. Okay. This one is yung ating yung cabbage. Yung matigas na parte ng cabbage. Yan. I slice it like a strip, like that. Yeah. Mix it, and I just put on pinch of salt and then pepper. Right. Ito yung matigas na parte ng cabbage. Yeah. Okay. Oil. And then our cucumber. Ayan. Stir fry ko yung ating cucumber. Ayan. Ating cucumber. Salt. And then pepper. Alright. Looks good. And then our bean sprouts. Yung ating toge. A pinch of salt. And then pepper. Okay. Then we just take it out. And then later on, ipi-plating na natin as easy as that. Okay? And then oil again because I'm going to cook my mushrooms. Yeah. Oil. And then ang ating stir fry yung ating mushrooms, Shiitake mushrooms. Yeah. Diba? So yummy. And then a pinch of salt. And then yung ating ground pepper, lutong-luto na siya. Yan. Alright. And then nilipat ko lang yung ating mushroom. Then lutuin ko na yung ating meat, the last one, before the egg. Yan. Okay. And then na chicken. Ayan, minced chicken. Okay. This one, dadagdagan ko lang siya ng marinated na sliced na chicken. Kasi konti lang siya. And we are about 6 na kakain. So, yan, dadagdagan ko lang siya ng konti. Put on salt. And then again, yung ating ground pepper. And then, I just put on soy sauce. Yan, lalagyan ko lang siya ng soy sauce. It's about a tablespoon. Yan. Yung soy sauce. And then, lalagyan ko din ng oyster sauce. Yan. Oyster sauce is also about tablespoon. Put on a tablespoon of sugar. We're done with the meat. Lilipat ko lang siya. Is yung egg yolk. Kailangan buo siya. Yan ang pang garnish natin dun sa ating bibimbap. Yan. Okay, you don't need to flip it kasi kailangan luto lang siya. Yan, kahit half cook. That's good enough. Right? Alright, we're done. And then, magpi-plating na po. Okay, hi guys. And yeah, this time, magpe-plating po ako ng aking bibimbap. Okay, I'll show you how. Okay, ganito kaliit po yung aking mga bowl na nilagyan. So, all you have to do is just to fill in this bowl. I-fill in lang nitong bowl na to sa mga ni-stir fry natin ng mga gulay. Okay? I'll show you how. Right. Come. Okay, just fill in with this. This is our Baguio beans. And then, ilagay lang din natin yung ating carrots. Yan. Cabbage. Yan. And then, I just put in our Toge, bean sprout. Yan. And then, yung ating cabbage na part. Yan. Okay. Look at that. And then, yung ating, wow, daming gulay ang ating sitaw. And then, yung ating cabbage, yung ating cucumber. And then, now this time, idagdag ko yung ating mushrooms. Okay? Yung ating mushrooms. And then, ilagay ko din yung ating spinach. Okay? And then, on this side, ilagay ko yung ating meat. Okay? Yan. And look at that. Wow, bibimbap. And then, just add on the eggs sa ibabaw. And then, I just put on sesame seed. Yan. Look at that. That's our bibimbap. Ayan. Ayan. Yung ating bibimbap. Alright. Guys, thank you so much for watching again. This is Chris, your Kuya Pandisoy. Thank you so much for watching my videos, and I hope you get something out from that video. Yeah? So we are having our lunch. Yes, my housemates. Yes. Yes, kampai. Happy Father's Day to all the fathers. And then, yeah, thank you so much. And I hope you continue supporting me. And for those of you na bago lang sa aking channel, please do not forget to subscribe and click the bell button for you to be notified para sa mga upcoming videos. Okay? And then always believe na unique ka dahil the best in the world ka. And then always wear your sweetest smile to bring more positivity in life. Alright? Thank you so much. And happy Father's Day to all. Love you. Bye.
Happy Father's Day.
today, I decided to feature Korean kimchi stew or kimchi soup. Ayan, okay? Ayan, sobrang sarap nito. So, I hope that you will stay tuned with me and as I show you step by step kung paano gagawin ang kimchi soup. Alright!